Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. DeSmit here to teach you about decomposing groups. Okay, you are ready to deepen your understanding of decomposing. First of all, we ask you, what does it mean to decompose a group? Think about that. Okay, if you said that when you decompose a group, you start with a whole group, and then you break it into smaller groups. That is exactly right. We're going to use this tool to help us deepen our understanding. Think back to the name of this tool. That's right, this is called a math mountain. Notice that my math mountain hasn't been built yet. The first step that I do when I'm using a math mountain is I have to name my math mountain. On page 5-11 in your math packet, you will find math mountains of 6, 5, 4, 3, and 10. And you will have to use your noticing eyes because the math mountain keeps changing. So you have to pay attention. So the one that I'm going to start with is the one that I've circled right here. I notice that this math mountain starts with a group of 6. So I'm going to put 6 at the top of my math mountain. And now I'm going to gather 6. 6 tiny tumblers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After I've gathered the 6 tiny tumblers, I'm going to notice how many tiny tumblers have gone down the left side of the mountain, and I see it's 2. So I'm going to put 2. 2 have come this way. 1 and 2. I notice how many remain from the 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 remain. And the rule about decomposing is that some will go this way, all the others will fall the other way. So here down the mountain they come, all of them. And that was 4. So I'm going to use my marker. The missing group or the missing addend is 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now, the directions tell me that I must draw the tiny tumblers and write the partners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4 are partners of 6. I can add the plus sign. 2 plus 4 equals 6. We're going to drop down now to this one. If we get close, we will notice that this is the math mountain of 4. So that's the first step, is to look at the name of the math mountain. Our next step is to gather tiny tumblers. We only need 4, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to clear the board. And then after we gather, we're going to notice how many went down this side. The answer is 1. Only 1 tiny tumbler tumbled to the left. And I notice 3 left. 1, 2, 3. All 3 go down the other side. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. I'm going to represent that for you on the paper. 1 tiny tumbler and 3 tiny tumblers, 1, 2, and 3 will make 4. Okay, we're going to build one more together and then you're going to get to practice. So on the bottom, I have circled this math mountain. Its name is 10, so we will come here to show 10. We are on the math mountain of 10. I must gather 10 tiny tumblers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Clear my board. So 10 tiny tumblers live on the top of 10 Math Mountain. I notice 8 tiny tumblers went to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All the rest must come to the other side, 1 and 2. So I can see that 8 plus the missing group, which is 2, make 10. I'm going to represent it on the paper, 8. I notice over here 2 tiny tumblers are missing and the number 2, and I'm going to show my addition sign. Okay, boys and girls, it's your turn to practice. Find your math packet, page 5-11, and go through this process. Name the math mountain. Gather your tiny tumblers. Notice how many are going to the left. All the others must go to the right. And then represent the story. I hope you have fun. Bye.